Can you testify this in court?
Mr. Man, tell me why you are here. You are even more than a kidnapper.
Well, it's because because of the love I have for you, I will not be able to do certain things. That's why you are talking to me like this. But that's, by the way, actually why I came is to first of all address the fact that I don't like that audio billionaire, and then secondly that they are calling me, and a ritualist and a kidnapper too. Then secondly, my message that I texted you as we agreed. Anyways, you say you are going to reply me now, so I'm going to text you again now for
You
the
don't
WhatsApp.
you don't like the audio billionaire they call you. Looking at your profile, you don't look like audio billionaire.
Pastor, they already know you. By the time I bless you, you will come here. When you see me, you will drop every other person from your life and you will pick me up. I promise you that. So I won't say more than that until we meet in Benin. And by the way, I stay at Upper. I have the biggest house in Upper, in Benin City.
You stay in Upper and you say we should not meet in the police station. My brother, I say you are welcome. You are really an audio billionaire. People come here to say, you are audio, I have seen it. You are an audio billionaire. Tell me why you are welcome, okay? I will respond to your message.
All right. Thank you very much. So I will text you now again.
Okay, no problem. No problem. Tomorrow morning I will rush. Tomorrow morning I will go out and buy a new SIM card so I can give you the number there. Don't mind.
What happened to your normal SIM card? The one you have been using?
You said?
The SIM card you have been using, what happened to it?
Is it by force? I said tomorrow morning I will rush out and get a new SIM card and give the number to you.
No, I'm surprised. Why do you want to give me a new SIM card? What happened to the SIM card you have been using?
Are you the one to tell me the number I'm supposed to give you?
Okay, I understand. I'm too special. That's why you want to buy a new SIM card. Okay,
yes, yes. I will just buy already the SIM card that was registered by somebody else, so you cannot trace me because kidnappers are looking for where to get people details. You are welcome. Welcome.
Well, I will take your insult for now until the time I bless you and you will come.
Okay, no problem. You are blessed. Okay, have a wonderful day. I need to go and eat. I'll be there every time. I never even went there. I went somewhere here.
Okay, you went to enjoy life as usual.
Yes, of course.
You copy my style. Okay, I can see. You are trying to enjoy like me, so no problem. So I will be expecting your response. I will text you right now.
Okay, no problem. I will talk to you then.
All right. Take care. Have a wonderful night rest.
Okay, see you some other time. You are blessed. Okay, have a wonderful day.
Thank you very much. Bye.
Okay,
can you drop me, please?
Kidnappers looking for how to get details. Kidnappers are everywhere looking for how to get people details.
What?
Kidnappers snapping with yellow cars, wearing white. These are the deceived people.
So what are the kidnappers?
Ritualists. Okay, we'll talk better.
Hello.
You are blessed. We will talk better. Ritualist. Let me listen to my Amaka. Let me listen to Chiamaka and Lagos kidnapper. Hello.
Pastor, why are you letting these people stress you?
Don't leave it. That audio billionaire always come here to brag.
It might not be audio billionaire, Pastor Eddie.
Chiamaka, you know I like you so much. Don't get me angry.
Okay.
Don't get me angry. When I like you so much, don't get me angry. It's an audio billionaire.
I'm sorry, Pastor.
I'm telling you that somebody's audio billionaire. You say it's not an audio billionaire.
I agree with you because the way the guy is like a snake.
Go to his profile and see him wearing one yellow native that look like those. You know those people who do bricklayer work. When they finish doing bricklayer work, instead of them to go home, they will just stand in the junction and looking for where to take those shots of Kankan.
Oh, that's true.
Go and check his profile and see those pictures.
That was wearing yellow and yellow.
This is the one.
Oh.
He went outside the country. I don't know where he got the car for. You know, when people are outside the country, you can easily snap with big cars. You
But
just rent
Pastor,
it.
you know there are some places in VI that is like outside the country.
I don't even know where I snap that picture for. You know those people, they will just go and look for big cars to snap to deceive ladies.
Oh,
He's an audio billionaire.
true.
Chiamaka, are you back home?
Yes, I'm back home.
No, have you eaten?
I just finished eating
No, what did you eat?
rice.
No, Chiamaka, you are so pretty.
Thank you.
I'm going to give you my interior work. You are the one who's going to do it. Just you alone. I don't need work.
I will first
I
of
don't,
all come
yes,
for deliverance
thank
first.
you. I don't need any worker there. When you are there doing the interior work, I will be supporting you there. I don't need any other work. I will let you. I will just lock the door. You just be doing the interior work.
Okay, no problem, Pastor. What about the church? I'm not going to renovate the church.
Oh yes, of course I will do some work there in the church. What about your friend? What was your friend's name again that sent me money?
Barbara,
See,
it's fine.
Barbara is a very good lady. You see, she said, apart from that day, she sent me that 100,000 to give 50,000 out to people. She has sent me money before on Instagram, 150,000, something like that. I never know that she's the lady. When you sent me that she's Barbara, she sent me the receipt on Instagram. I went on Instagram and checked. Oh, this is the lady that sent me 150,000 before. And she still sent me. She's blessed. I love you, both of you are blessed. Bring that up. When she's in Tory Estate.
Yes, Pastor.
Yes, I saw her page. I went to her page. I looked. I saw, oh, this lady is in Tory Estate. She's so pretty. She have a good shape, just like you.
Yes, Pastor.
Both of you are the kind of lady I need, not those kwe ladies.
Pastor, you know, I was saying something to you. You've not answered. I said, as a man and a middleman, we're still on that matter, and you've not advised me on what to do.
You see, block the both of them. Me, I'm a bigger Azama. Block both of them. You can't be milking with those little Azama. You block both of them and come. You just forget I'm a pastor. We have money more than those are Azama you are seeing there. You block both of them. What are you doing with them?
Okay, so I should block both of them, Pastor.
Block them. You need to delete their number.
I have, but they still register another number to call me.
Which one is your boyfriend among the Azama and the middleman?
The middleman.
You block them. What are you doing with the what are you doing with the middleman?
So should I go for the Azaman? Azaman has more money.
Oh, you have more money?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you can go for him.
What about you?
Me? No. You see,
I'll go for the deliverance.
I'm not an Azama. We are bigger than Azame. We don't do Aza work anymore. And we don't even do Aza work. I'm bigger than Azama. We work genuinely. We work for our money genuinely. We are not into fraud.
Okay, so how do you work for your money genuinely? By offering?
Yes, my church. I have my business. I work for my money genuinely. I have my business. I'm into real estate as well. I do other business. All business. I don't want to come and expose myself here. Fraud is for little children. We don't do fraud. We work genuinely.
Okay. Pastor, you're making me think twice, though.
Think twice. How?
I will start coming to your church, Pastor.
Okay, of course, you come to my church. You can sit there in my church. We talk better there. Oh, Chiamaka, you are so pretty.
Thank you, Pastor.
You look like those ladies they use in setting men up. You are the kind of ladies they use to set men up because you are so pretty. When some men see you, they cannot take their eyes off you. You look like those ladies they use to set men up. But me, they cannot set me up just because who want to set me up, I will set the person up. You are so pretty.
Pastor, me, I'm just coming for deliverance. And I will, okay, maybe after the deliverance, I will come alone and do your interior. You will assist me in some of the things that I cannot do.
Oh, yes, that's good. When you are in my church, I will assist you very well.
Oh, so how do you assess me, Pastor?
Don't worry. When you come to my church, I know how to assist you.
Okay, assist. Okay. That would be nice, Pastor. You're such a nice.
You are coming for deliverance. Me, I know how to do the deliverance. I'm the pastor. They know what to tell you and what to do.
Okay, do I need to come with any oil, like anointing oil and so?
No, don't worry. I have all of them here. You don't need them.
Okay, because you need to bless some for me to go home with.
Yes, you can come with your friend, Barbara. What's her name? Why are you laughing?
Oh, sorry. My sister is making me sorry, Pastor. Okay. Okay, Pastor. I should come with Barbara for
Yes,
the.
I want you. You can come with both of you can come to my church.
Okay. Are you sure you can deliver us together once? Because
If I can.
the evil spirit that will be yeah. Pastor, because the reason why the evil spirit that you're trying to deliver from me might enter Barbara, or the one you're trying to deliver from
No,
Barbara.
I am a spiritual man. I know how to walk my walk. I'm a spiritual man. So
People are
I
calling
don't,
you
when I'm
Ashawo
walking, I
Pastor.
don't rush. You don't,
Okay.
even if both of, even if you are 10 of you, I will walk on you one after the other. You don't tell me how to do my spiritual work.
Oh, okay. That means I'll come with my sister too for deliverance because we've been wanting to do this deliverance thing and I told them that it must be Pastor Eddie. It must be him. That he's my number one pastor.
Okay. You have a sister too?
Yes.
Oh, that's good. You can come with her as well.
Okay. Okay, Pastor. We'll be three. Me, Barbara, and Joy will come.
So where is Barbara now?
Barbara is in her house.
Relaxing.
Yes, sir.
I like Barbara so much. She showered me with money a lot. I never knew she's the one you were talking about. When you said the lady want to send me money. Barbara. I was saying, who is this Barbara? Because her name on Instagram, I don't think it's Barbara. I
It's
went to,
Super Black
because
Home.
you said,
Super Black Homes.
oh yes, because I saw her page full of she's into real estate.
Yeah,
I
that's
never
okay.
knew. It's when you said a lady want to send you money. She sent me the money. She went to go and send me the receipt on Instagram. That pastor. When I look at it, and when I scroll down, I said,
You asked me to tell her to send the money, the receipt on Instagram.
yes. When I went to Instagram page, I saw her message. I said, I've talked with this person before. I started scrolling down. Immediately, I saw her. She was the lady that she's a very good lady. There was a day she just messaged me, say, Pastor, send me a account. That was what she just said.
We were actually together and she said, Chamaka, okay, I think she's sending a request and you didn't answer. She now said, okay, I'll go to Instagram and speak to Pastor Eddie. And I said, okay.
No. What's her name on TikTok here?
Super Black Homes too.
Okay, on the TikTok here.
Yes.
She's a very good lady. She just sent me the first day. Said, Pastor, she just messaged me. Send me a account number. I gave her the account number. The next day she flicked how much on my account. I was surprised. Say, the lady have money like this, and you came here, her friend. You still send me block, and she still send me other money again. Say, take this and give to your followers and take this. She is blessed. I always pray for her and both of you.
Amen, Pastor. Amen.
You said you are in Lagos there.
Yes, Pastor.
Oh, I will be
You have
coming
a
to Lagos.
branch.
I will be coming to Lagos very soon before I go to South Africa.
Okay. Are you in Nigeria now, Pastor?
Yes, I'm in Nigeria, of course.
Or should I come to Benin?
Oh, you want to come to Benin?
I don't mind, Pastor, because this evil spirit has been disturbing me. I want to take it out. I want to do this deliverance.
Oh, you see, you can come to Benin. You see, okay, you can come to Benin alone first. So maybe some other time your friend will come with you. Why are you
Pastor.
laughing?
No,
You are
I'm
laughing.
not.
What's
My sister, just stop. Okay,
what's
Pastor.
funny?
I don't know why she's laughing.
You
I
are
will
just
come.
laughing. What's funny?
I don't know why she's laughing. No.
Okay, you can come to Benin for the deliverance.
Okay, Pastor. Just let me know when you want me to come.
Okay. No, I'm still in Benin now. You are the one who was going to tell me that Pastor, I'm free now. I will be coming to Benin so day. I'm free
Pastor, you've not
now.
made arrangement for the private jet now. You said you make arrangement for the
Calm
private
down.
jet.
Agbabola use my private jet and be using it for some time now.
Okay. So I should hold on. Hey, it's not me. I'm not the one keeping you.
Oh, Barbara, what's your name again? Sorry, I was calling your first name. You are so pretty. Look at your smile.
Thank you, Pastor.
Were you created in Nigeria or you were created outside the country?
I'm a typical Igbo girl now.
Igbo girls. Oh, they told me that Igbo girls are so pretty. I never believed this until I saw you. Oh,
Thank you,
you are
Pastor.
pretty and you work so hard. I like you because you work so hard. Not those useless ladies who don't work. They don't have money. They are just looking for where to beg money.
We're trying our best, Pastor, to make sure we're not hungry. At least to eat 3 square meal. We're trying.
Look at your hair. Which hair is this?
Is bone straight?
Go straight.
Yes, Pastor.
Oh, these are expensive ladies wear those hairs, not those useless girls who don't know how to make money. You are laughing.
Pastor is my sister. Thank you, Pastor.
You
Thank
see,
you.
no one like you. Always, when you are coming to my live stream, always wear your wigs. You oppress those ladies. So they will go and buy their own. You are so pretty with this hair.
Thank you, Pastor.
You oppress people with what you have. Let them go also for their own.
Pastor, everybody wears wig now. So this cannot be oppression wearing wig. Do you think so?
Everybody wear wigs. Are you the one who bought it for them?
Um, sorry, Pastor. You're correct. You're correct, Pastor.
Being everybody wear wig. Not everybody wear wig. There are some people who cannot. There are people who have not wear one wig now up to now. There are people who have not wear wigs. Wigs are different for wigs. This one is bone straight. You see some people wear wigs of 15,000, 16,000. Sorry, I said wigs. Some people wear hair of 50,000, 60,000. You don't count those ones.
That's the money they have to buy the wig now, Pastor.
You said?
Oh, yes, you're correct, Pastor. I agree with you.
That's the money they have to buy it. Where did you get your own money for? Do you have two heads?
No, Pastor.
Then where did you get? Then you are saying that that's the money they have. Are you not
I
working for your?
just got back from work.
You said?
You can see that I just got back from work. You saw me when I was
You
outside.
work and you purchase yours. Then you say that's the money they have. You that got this one, and the people buy the one of 16,000. Do you have two heads?
No, sir.
Then you are saying that's the money they have. I hope you don't respond to messages on your DM. Because I know a lot of men here, they are just say they don't say anything. When they leave the live stream, they are coming to your DM. I will be telling you things, you are laughing.
Pastor, you know the funny thing, yeah? Okay, so I have like messages that I've not responded to like a year plus and so, but it's okay. If it has to do with business, oh, I want to do your interior, I will respond. If it has to do with something related, work, money, yes, I will respond.
Babara, so I always call you Babara because your friend's name have been coming into my mouth. Chiamaka, when you are doing this your interior work, always go with security. There are some dangerous men here now.
Okay, Pastor.
You are just laughing. You don't take my advice. There are a lot of dangerous men.
I do.
When you are going for this interior work, inform people before going. Ask securities. Don't just go to people's side.
I'll always tell you whenever I'm going. I'll tell you because you're my guys and you need to protect me.
When you are going for any interior work, you send me message. You send me the person's picture. You send me his name. Because there are a lot of dangerous men. They will just bring you to their house. All that is will occur there.
Especially in that Benin, because I heard there are a lot of dangerous men in Benin.
Stop that. There is no dangerous men in Benin. Benin is very safe.
Oh. Okay, Pastor.
Yes, Benin is very safe. It is only the stupidity, the thing that is worrying them now is those courtesans they are practicing in Benin. They are killing themselves. You see brothers killing themselves, all in the name of courtesy. That's the problem they have in Benin. Benin is very safe.
No, Pastor, you're okay. Okay, that's the reason why you're there to guide me.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Pastor.
Oh, I wish I could find Barbara here. What Barbara was on me. I like her.
You want me to call her?
No, you don't need to disturb her when she's free. Maybe once some other time. I
will drag her one day to the live.
She's a very good lady. She always apart from giving me money, she never knew me. The first time she just sent me a message, Pastor, send your account back. She sent me how much? I was surprised. I said, the lady sent me this money. I was surprised. Then she just said, oh, these are the kind of ladies I'm mingling with, not those ones. You are the kind of ladies I want to mingle with, not those other ones.
Thank you, Pastor.
I'm blessed by Chiamaka. You are blessed.
All right, Pastor. Have a wonderful night's rest, okay?
You are blessed. Are you going to sleep now?
No, not really.
So what are you going to? You have a man there in your house?
I don't have a man here, no. It's just me. It's just me and my sister. Look at her. She cannot.
She's just laughing.
I don't know why she's laughing though.
So this is your house?
Yes, Pastor.
Oh, you are trying for yourself. You are trying for yourself as a lady.
That's why we're
You,
working,
you,
working
you
hard,
need to have
Pastor.
a, you need to have a good man by your when you come back from the work from you come back when you come back from work you need to have a man there in your room. Right now your sister will be in the parlor watching TV while you be in your room with your man enjoying life.
Pastor, you need a man that can match the energy.
I know the kind of man you need. The man that give you the happiness, the trips, everything. I know them.
That can match the
Imagine now
energy.
now you just came back from work. You will just be in your room, operating your phone with your man there, while your sister will be in the parlor, watching
Why
TV
would
and
my
laughing
man
there.
come to my house? Why would my man come to my house?
No, you be with your man in the house, or you go to the master's. You don't need to be here alone.
Pastor, but I'm not complaining. I'm okay. Oh. I'm okay.
You are
I
not
just want to
complaining.
come. Yes, I just want to come for deliverance in your church. That's all I need right now, Pastor.
Shamaka, you are so pretty. Look at your face. Look at how pretty you are.
Thank you, Pastor.
You are the prettiest I've seen you are the prettiest I've seen. And you have
And you've
money
not
with
seen
it.
my younger sister. You've not seen my younger sister. Okay, oh, Pastor. Thank you.
That sister is more pretty
Thank
than
you,
you.
Pastor. Yes, Pastor.
You are lying. I thought, oh, look at the way you smile and you seduce a lot of men here. A lot of men will be on your DM begging you. Don't respond to them.
Yes, Pastor. I will not.
Don't make mistake of
It's
responding
just
to
that
them.
I want you to do deliverance for me, Pastor. I have my reasons.
Okay, you want to come to my church?
Yes,
You see,
Daddy.
it's not easy to see me. It's not easy to see me. You just see me on the live stream. You always say, "Come to my church. Come to my church." A lot of people send me messages to them want to come to my church. I don't respond to them. You only just see me on the live stream joking with some people. There are some people I give my address to my church. You think you just see me? Have you seen anybody telling you that I went to his church? It's only few people who will show you my church.
Are you not going to give me the address, Pastor?
I don't. You see, I will just say, "Come to my church." A lot of people I don't give them the address. I don't even respond to them. You think it's easy to see me? Apart from seeing me here, you can't see me. I'm a
So
spiritual
what
man.
about me? Are you not going to give me address to your church?
I will give you because of you are just so pretty and you have
Thank
money.
you. Okay,
You are
Pastor.
laughing. I will give you because
I'm
you are
not the one
pretty.
laughing. She's the one laughing. Pastor, she's the one laughing. It's not me. She's